journey, the journey, the journey, the journey, the journey, and then so you're saying a share now, Sabina, Mabasi, the near Baba to drink more a wahase, and then middle BBRC said now what you be out your Brits say now heard the Jenny TV show, and then so yeah, Baba didn't come on, I mean, so business and wine and Abena Ghana, but Makatra must say, I'm here to inspire, to motivate, and educate into a wiki be or maybe inspire you, a bit so hard, I may bet sure what dear, a bit so hard, and crunch some, and I'm a day bro, into a nedia, Macami and Sunny in our boom, and I'm a day air bro, and I sound a madam guest in Edino. Mamma abwa for masoma sin na what you be amedi jumadi be edek SM beaters or see obey matches and no bina bibia anya kama we na the give us clean care SCC fee omo wo niam na nyina de twetwe chance we form toilet like everything ebe ma fie ati krojin de obenya bi e wo give us industries we are now the time herbal mixture and the time HH aba like a boosting your immune system no na esa malaria no empanyu foi with Adon TV and Kunama Entertainment na so masina bribia mede juma de bro ma me ntwa me ho enkoji aboafo nkrato me ba ye beto aso enko bebia journey the journey Yakwaji enkrato aba oguso already Jenny TV show e wo Adon TV and me guest no e mia Mrs. Tapenya obo ne ho moden e wo amanone a we say odi free ho asanya be companies wo Ghana ha e dey boy youth ama nipa bebre so enye ejuma and then me name Madam Vivian a on na ye CEO for Atlanta Super Fabric, American Pharmacy and Atlanta Supermad. She say, and you want to do so because I may boboa and then maybe motivate you, pa, na ma inspire you. Now so who sa brabo no, o starting now so mu year on so ebeti me akoya ma. Ti na me Mrs. Vivian and I echechinko. Hi Miss.
Hi sweetheart.
Majuache.
No
more than 3 years.
No
every day I know aboma she, no aboma she, no energy. Because we want to learn. The person yen so yen CEO to sell. Yen entrepreneur sem. Yes, yan kaka can yes yet me be yourself. For yen for brabo a consume. How did Niema Winina start here? What was the dream?
It's like I was born into a business home. Like Ebusiano. And we are for no matter how square your course you just want to have your own business because we believe in working for ourselves. Okay. You know, there's freedom in having your own business. So with that belief, you know, it's like you want to have your own business.
Your own business.
So basically that is what I grew up seeing.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Na di wadu baby a wadri. Se waka eye fie ejuma sana wo honti obeye okobo den green no kra.
Yes.
You still have to be an entrepreneur and start from there. Enti ye ka say entrepreneur obi oye entrepreneur or entrepreneurship you nim say involve sika.
Yes.
And it's not easy having your own business. And everybody shouldn't take it say they what kind of a fair you start ya in the fast. So how was the process? Na difficult and na wo to money into what endure suya what calculate ya multiply it free for you to manage all these companies ni nyuma na wo ye no ebi wa abrochi ebi wo Ghana okona wo ba no same planet here because obi wa abrochi obi be nyuma Ghana gu
no correct
e then no de no gu na wo de ni gina so how did you do it so that we can all learn?
I would say ni nyina stability.
Okay.
And at the end of the day, you just have to have the right connections, have the right people in your circle.
Very important.
Very, very important. When it comes to stuff like that, so when you be a yes.
Thank
you. You just have to. Prayer is everything. Say, Yankopon nankasa be you be a otiwa semase. Onimu say edwuma ya ebia wo ba be ya na say edwuma you person ni wo ye no.
Yeah.
It's going to go up somewhere.
Yeah.
What must say? So it's more like having the right people in your circle. And speaking of the money involved, the funds involved, easy, sir.
Yeah.
That one day I won't lie to you. It's not
a lot.
It's a lot
investment.
It's a lot. We just say near mama Tony, near mama like we bit me I can say, hey, lady up her life but maybe within few days, Ube na me tuade or gas station. What my say? To say any Cavals Day by you say me to me hampers. Me hear all these things now. Me dey question your gas station. Yeah, kind of gas station. How you filling station? How you
filling station? Now ton.
Now me just say me when it comes to money, as long as I'm not stealing,
clock it.
It's not as long as I'm not killing nobody.
And I'm making my money. I don't care.
Yes. And then I'll say this one quick story to inspire you. Ghana D50, no. My mom is a super dealer with GTP.
Okay.
Uko chroma obehu GTP into my baby. Some of them it's my mom's print.
Oh, okay.
On one design. Ti why you man check. Ti Ghana at 50 no. Ku 4 time no mama the contract say onusu ye on one into it's one of the top selling because a GTP quality good. Ti na me wo US and na me first time I me ba Ghana. Inti me here na me see mama to mana mountain how does it go? No say your Tony bills my money would jump on. And my mom thought I was joking. When I came, even though I came with my case, you know, me compare nanny, me pay nanny, FM crano. It's me mammy best sorry crano. Na me mama drivers a yin to man bills nibi. Okay, me call rolling spark.
Wow.
Na bana me crack cash. Inti just say my 200 kasa crano doesn't get it. Say hey, no be am if you American for say be am ferry say. Me kujina rolling spark at
one money and it's legal.
It's in the trunk. I will car the boot right? Maybe a boot. Me sume into my tongue. It's money.
Yeah.
Why am I getting shy? Like there's nothing wrong with that. Intermediate when it comes to that now, that is how God opens door for me. Na me personal liability among Crawford.
Na man yo who said na me dem who offer me ball life obi ton any social media.
Thank you.
Oh, to my no be able to say I don't know what one day.
Oh no.
You know say me never na me cut TikTok. Me ton ade ankasa o gina so ton no be ati say say you a celebrity, a celebrity. They feel say you don't have to sell. You don't have to. Hey, sikape.
Yes. So I feel like person or establish BBA. You don't rely on anybody because people can disappoint you.
Yes.
Maybe to me about so me person me be a business me but maybe see now disappoint me. Where am I going?
Yeah. But why sika de uko banga wako you sika.
Thank you. So you have to have a backup. Say okay, me person me set up business. How do I start? In Tibia will be say 1,000 Ghana be na wa. First start be 1,000 Ghana. Na be multiply. So I believe in that. And you said me fiti ya so inti I don't know most people know any money. I'm for say obi ne fande or mona say ne need the yes, all at once. Yes. So all these big people out there that we see, you know, it wasn't overnight.
They started from somewhere.
They started from somewhere. Yes. And your journey ufiti ya inti say we are good with something to me focus on that.
And do it well.
Yes, and I make a chair or my bear make a cry say I don't see my husband is in the medical field, but I don't see my son being there.
Say
me person me quiet nurse because me can say I don't do that. It's me who say me dear more into say buy and sell.
Okay.
To those kind of niyama who feel say we are capable of doing no. Would you go for it? Trust me, you will never. It's like they say something. Find your niche and get rich.
Yeah.
So if you don't find your niche
what you're good at,
yes,
and
you want to be like everybody,
you can't.
It won't happen. It's like you'll be struggling because you are trying to
do everything
or compare yourself to other people.
Yeah.
So to me, that's the advice out there for especially the young ones. You know, you can be obvious or your makeup, and I say obvious. Now one can no need passion for it. No way.
Yeah.
No way. My sorry. Me kai those days I'm here Osha say na audiovisual guy ne ba ko ka say Madam V then na ye twa CD a odi fa nipa ne mu anasa omutimi twa CD bi a pastor preach we a omutwa CD be 2050 me di fa nipa ne mu anasa. Then we have other ushers
so
you get the point.
You have the marketing thing in you.
I know that.
So you know how to market whatever you want.
So there's no way you see me sitting in an office say me koye juma or bank. Thank you. Until you just find your niche and get rich. It makes life simple. You don't struggle because what you are doing, you have the passion for it.
You have the passion for it.
Yes.
Wow. And now we're back Ghana, American pharmacy.
Yes.
Where are we located?
We are at Community 18 Spinters.
Okay.
Deaf Traco Estate, TSO Estate, popular 18T. We are just right next to TSO Estate.
Okay.
Yes. Now, K for Rinsoton cement 1T. Udu Wanaka say, Upe building now K for return cement. Now, everybody knows that. So that's where the pharmacy and then the supermarket is.
So, how is it going?
Oh, so far so good.
Hey,
so far so good.
Yeah. Now, it's a we know you were into hair.
Yes.
Business, cause and you just hair, makeup, like everything. And also, so are you?
Nyamiadum, and also koso. The reason is me person me move it back Ghana. Nyamiadum I'm few because my last one 20. Or baby is school. This year already 21. Until by 2027, and now we be a college. Until I feel like. I've lived all that life over there. Until this is the time for me to come here and rest. Until Minya manager be or managing my sister, and I'm who say okay, she's also interested in the business. Until any Yami Aduna Kwan Bar, and one is some transfer ownership amano. No, we know be any answer. Yes, so the transition I will move on because I say. Or woho na utimi hu edwuma ne so ansa meja. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes, because me ba hadia this is where
you love Ghana
100%.
Ghana yes. De ankasa yes. So obi a wa bridge bia oba Ghana on person obeko na so adwumenti na na de ye ne CEO na twetwenko mesro wa wo hwe me a wo ye business enye se we ton ye 20 me koye bi. Find your words,
your niche,
and get rich. Yes. You be finding your niche, I get rich. The mami try me hunko ton ade me ba sisi ya. Yakoje Inkrato aba oguswa hwe the Jenny TV show ewo Adom TV and then my name Mrs. Vivian and Etchin Komo has CEO for American Pharmacy and then like a lot. So say you man endorse but you see idea on how she started from being an entrepreneur to be a CEO and even how to maintain it, you know, and hon komo and a year twin. You nim say go for bebre be nyuma bebre abeye ne he endin ansa na egu.
Yes.
What has kept your business till now? Or success secret na eden?
One of them is say I love what I'm doing.
You need to have passion first.
Yes. It makes me put the right people at the right place. To say USA beauty supply, your last one, my younger sister, she's really good with her because when you're young, vibrant, onim trends. Me phobia onim sani mane you get my point. So obia bahwa we want to know if Grace is in today. If vendors are my near Macrano, they don't want to service us.
Wow.
So, into business, you just have to find the right people, train you, and then get involved. I'm not the type, US, me workers in a uniform. One time in Nigeria, I say, I'm looking for the owner. And then I said, can I, whatever it is, you know, she can talk to me. No, I'm looking for the madam herself because you used to say you madam and no, thank you.
Yeah.
And to some cancer no. Or see I'm changing the perspective because Nejuma she's always struggling. And I'm saying if you are not involved, any Ghana has it the same. Over banana many girls now she share near my rearrangement. I don't sit down, cross my legs, and my instruction. You won't get me.
Say here for near bad guy.
You won't get me. Inti me when they say obi am in the age maybe say, hey, mommy, you are not in the gym so.
So call better for.
Thank you.
You come on to me and
no, because
that is very good.
And yes, sir, with Juma last because you know what to do.
Yeah.
It's just like people who open up salon and spa.
If you don't know anything, no be because always
they always know.
Yes,
so you are always struggling. But if you have the passion for it, for the same way be a nail salon now, workers just you even being there having one client, you know, you are doing it for yourself.
Yeah.
Into say money will stay.
It's
but
true.
There's no way I make a say me be a juma. Na me didn't qualify to twano na me anka se me ni ho and I say me involved no. It doesn't last.
So would you advise Obia or Tia Brooch? No pigeon is sika baby. Omo be any de be a go. And when you advise like you don't want me to do anything like would you advise that? Oni ha we be ni kunta no we jaha.
I normally tell them, say, if you are not there, it's not going to work. And I have people who are even older than me. If you to say, yeah, no, or mobile back say, Vivian, thank you. Like, who are you? Ultimately, like, yeah, even the age gap, no, they have no clue.
Yeah,
but me new mukasa, me see do it this way. Well, we scan 6 months now. I will call. Don't tell your workers you are coming. Just pop in. There's no way I may work a beer who said me Abena Ghana.
But who know you know?
Yes. Until rather
so you're always careful.
Yes.
Yes. So you know when madam is coming.
Yes. Until you it's not going to work when you think say you are there bringing money. And I say you open up a business and then you expect say somebody should run it for you whilst you are not there. It's not going to work.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you believe in oba? Ebi esebi anka wawari okunu doctor. A lot of people believe say was what sniffy na nka ohwe nkwada onye adwuma ne ade. Sa ade no wo gidie wom ana wo say oba bia so pe bibi for that chinti.
Me pa sure 100%.
So pe bibi
do it for yourself.
For yourself.
Have your own money. Don't even ma ukunya dangote. Do something for yourself. Say ofo say sikan it's all over until the upper sort and say Bema crowd without respect you, but yeah, deep in you know, own show. Nobody is reliable.
Yes.
Send your mind reliable no.
See, and your business in Cosin, you say your mammy nom, ye nuanom, and go for be brain a business or ya no good or ya no good because I say, also scamana shit. Obema bo abon yire jetile ashe abon bear 5. They are tired.
Yes.
Like you said, you need to find what you love doing.
Yes.
Now they are good at na etimi age na mount na so ye ho no. Aside that, you being a CEO and handling workers no, how did you handle your workers wetimi akura wejuma abedru ene?
When it comes to workers no, me when I say ye nyina the same. Because I respect everybody equally. I don't discriminate. Until I remember said 2 years ago, now me work back home. Or you say or be cop. Until and I'm say what's going on? I say oh, I be up at different location in here. And I'm say okay, but I need you here. Until the way I'm in the casa no. It sank. It sank in. And I say, madam, you know what? I will stay. Because even me being here, and I've learned so much. To me, what's me chawa krana makes you more fun.
Yeah.
Until no obey stay. Until sometimes no, the way I wouldn't workers lebe. You don't just behave as if say wouldn't own an intino.
Oh yeah, dear. And she be I did you make any query and answer now bekono. A foot will bang and I demand the young ones your person young entrepreneur. Now you be your boss ladies like you. A foot will bang and be my.
And I make us say, just find your niche and get rich.
And get rich.
Don't divert to be like somebody else. Because Ushefia Ufrimuna, Abia plumbing work, and I ebusiana mama. Why do you want to go and be probably sell Abia walk something else?
Yes.
So
because find oh dear.
Yes, until find oh dear, and my life here easier.
Very easy.
Not just keep praying. And then wherever the support is going to come from, you may never know. God will just keep opening doors. Yes.
Thank you so much for coming. And to be a did you make any berry? Nipa ba community be obechiano. Answer your call.
Ghana had I admire all the hardworking men and women. I admire all of them. Till we be a CEO, I wait me a cranny juma. I mean, because if they are watching me, they know themselves.
Yeah.
I just say they should keep doing what they are doing, and God should keep opening doors for them. Just be yourself.
Yeah, that's sense on our watch a dear one to be back.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
That be I say actually thank you. Over to us.
And yes, you got to grab it.
Okay, so what is your best day of your life? The best ever day of your life?
When I was giving birth.
Oh
yes.
Yes.
Because yes. Because I feel like, hey, wow, like this is me. I just wanted to see how I came from my mom.
Thank you so much for coming, Pastor. Your flower, they must take your flowers and keep working hard. Why?
Nice.
So you inspire us. Afeina, we see a frame a day mouse say. We love you, pa.
Oh, thank you.
Thank
you. I appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
coming.
for having me too. Thank you. Anytime.
I didn't stress you.
No,
it was good.
Yes.
It's positive.
Yes.
Clack it.
Yes, and I'll do it again.
You see, it's been 3 solid years before I met you because I was on questions but I'm happy that you love it, and we're gonna do it again when I come over.
Yes, ma'am.
It's been amazing having her on the show. So I will fear we your business. When you say me per business, pa me sia dem say won so offer bibi ba ku mienu a wo the elbow bra. Said ye meka ye no. The Journey TV show, we are here to inspire, motivate, and I mean na yen church show ade na yen educate you na ya Catherine nyina abom and na ye dey abroad this season. As the place yen come aboa for ma so ma say na watch bia betimi de jumadi ebro e Adum TV mpanyi for ye da wase wo fia e na watch bia Friday anopebo 11:30 utna say e hwedwumadi mo ka ho bi e na mpanyi fo guso a e kura ye mu aha e na brebe ma de dwumadi asibidi e de Abena Ghana abonofo agodi brekum this year asemba akona da bia me ka chom se nyame wo ma e be ye macro.
The journey